Having selected the units to analyze, we get to the Key Performance Indicator tab. And the Key Performance Indicator tab allows you to do classical benchmarking, basically. So you can look at the size of some key performance indicator for your analyzed unit compared to the other units in the sample, and you can do radar graphs and stuff like that. So in this case, I'm focusing on Odense, and what you can see here is that Odense is the town in question is always indicated with a red bar, and so you can see that it's one of the largest towns in terms of cost, at least operating cost. It has the third largest, the last one being Copenhagen. You can add this to the radar if you're interested in this. And then you can take a look at another indicator, for example, the transported water. You can see now that it's not the third largest here, it's like the fourth largest in that dimension. You add this to the radar. And you can take another one like a network length, for example. Add this to the radar. Here is also number 4. Add this to the radar. And now you have a picture that looks like this. For any of the variables, by the way, you can look over here in the table to get the value of the town in question, the average in the sample, the standard deviation of the sample, the minimum, the 25% quartile. That means the value such that 25 has a value less than 100. It means that 25% has a value less than 113, and so on. And what you see here is that the green is the largest value in all dimensions, and my unit is the blue one. So we see that Odense is relatively small compared to the largest in terms of operating cost and transport of water, but they have actually quite a large network length. So it's a unit that is larger than the average, which is the red one in here, a little bit difficult to see here. But in general, actually, you can change the look of these pictures by playing around with like the height of the bars. You can change down here, and so on. But this allows you to do classical key performance indicator or analysis.